Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mansi Chauhan, Consultant Surgical Oncology and Breast Cancer Specialist at Fortis Hospital, Manesar. Let's talk about some basic facts about breast cancer today. So, you must be surprised to know that breast cancer is the most common cancer in women in India and across the world. But with early detection, we can actually achieve very good survival and cure rates. So 98 to 99% of patients diagnosed in early stages like stage 0, stage 1 can be cured. And for that early detection, the only thing which is required is awareness and screening. You must be aware that breast cancer is very common and you should get tested for it. There are very common basic symptoms of breast cancers like breast lump, usually painless lumps, or any changes in the skin, any irregularity of the contour of the breast like dimpling or bulging, any nipple discharge which is blood or green in color, any lymph nodes or swelling in the armpit region. So with such kind of alarming symptoms, you must not sit back at home and go to the doctor and get yourself checked. For this checking, there are 3 simple steps, that is triple assessment. The first step is clinical examination by the breast specialist. The second step is breast imaging. Breast imaging consists of mammography and ultrasound. So mammography should be done for all females more than 40 years of age and ultrasound for all of those less than 40. Sometimes we have to use a combination of both mammography and ultrasound. If in these imaging tests anything suspicious is detected, then the third step is taken, that is tissue diagnosis, and that happens by biopsy. Biopsy has to happen by a needle, that is true cut or core biopsy. It is hardly a 10 to 15 minutes OPD procedure, and only with that tissue seen in the microscope can we confirm what kind of diagnosis we are looking at. There is no one single type of breast cancer. There are different types at molecular level, and also there are other non-cancerous or pre-cancerous breast problems. All of these can be diagnosed only by a core or needle biopsy. There is a myth around biopsy that by doing a biopsy the tumor can spread, but this is a misconception. So with these 3 simple triple assessment, we can exactly know the diagnosis of your breast problem and then treat accordingly. So don't shy away from getting your annual screening done. Get yourself checked. Be breast aware. Thank you.